is the corruption issues katulad ng flood control. So we finished a caucus over lunch and we agreed, subject to some minor discussion pa among our chairpersons and the paperwork, that a subcommittee will be formed sa flood control and Senator Marcoleta will issue the notices on Monday para ituloy na sa Thursday yung flood control scam hearings. It will be impartial and we want the whole truth and not only some truth or some true, some not true to come out. Kung makikita nyo, may conflict na kagad. Sabi ng ombudsman, meron mastermind. Sabi ni Senator Lacson, walang mastermind. Sabi ni Senator Lacson, ito yung mga dapat hindi imbitahin. Sabi naman ni Senator Marcoleta, ito dapat imbitahin. So I'm inviting the whole public, bantayan yung Senado. In the same manner that we are on trial when we have impeachment, you also have to hold everyone accountable pagdating dito sa flood control.